Justice, them dead when we bust this. Aye.
Come along, yeah, and dig my song. Too much wagonist, too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yes, wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yeah, too much informers, too much steel bearers, too much informers, too much steel bearers. Time to separate the sheep from the wolves. We're at the crossroads, and this is the time of decision. Too much informers, too much steel bearers, too much informers, too much steel bearers. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Justice and justice don't play.
Too much watch and peep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep. Too much watch and peep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. I've got to get myself together. Yes, can't afford to let my faith go. You know, whenever the sun comes a shining and my sisters are Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no, oh no. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the father's hand. Leave up roots children. Oh yeah. Leave up pasta children. Yeah. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Yeah. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Yeah. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. All right. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the father's hand. Live up good children. Oh yeah. Live up good children. Oh yeah. Myself, are you ready? Take it.
Justice song. Businessman.
Now hear this. Myself, are you ready? Take it. Queen Majesty, may I speak to thee? So much I've longed to speak to you alone. Truly I agree, I'm not of your society. I'm not a kid, just a minstrel. But my song to you I sing. Though just a minstrel, and life was so far apart. Royal Queen, I see love in your eyes. Your eyes. I love you too. Oh, Your Majesty, I love you too. Oh man.
Your Majesty.
Oh, is it really true? These things I ask of you. Oh, Your Majesty, could you really care for me? Remember, it's the remnant of Israel that was saved. 144,000, a mixed multitude should enter through the gate. Oh, Zion's gate. I said, whoa, brother man. Whoa, brother man. Stand upright. Oh, wow, yeah.
Justice. Them dead when we bust this. Aye.
Justice is justice, you know.
No man can tell me Marcus Garvey dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me Emmanuel dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can tell me King Selassie dead. No man, no man, no man, no man. No man can take them out of my head. No man, no man, no man, no man. Sure flesh and gone, but the spirits live on.
Justice is justice, you know.
Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. Let the earth rejoice, multitudes be glad. Clouds and darkness surround him. Righteousness and justice is the foundations of his throne. A fire goes before him and burn all his enemies. Oh Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song.
Justice is justice, you know.
Preaching about the Holocaust, I'm not teaching about slavery. Telling how many they lost, I'm not showing any bravery. I'd rather be executed than to live as a slave. So many we have lost along the way, with the ocean as their grave. Israel of yesterday is not the Israel of today. They're of no lineage, they're of no royalty. Jews of yesterday is not the Jews of today. Pagans stolen our heritage to ensure their prosperity.
Justice is justice, you know.
Go away, stay away, spreading lies on my name. Wanna see me fall in shame? Wasn't it I the one who introduced you to the game? You have no respect, no respect. I thought I was your friend, I thought I was your friend, I thought I was your brother, I thought I was your brother. Go and do for another, what I have done for you. Then you will know what it's like to live in my shoes. Tell me what your grudge I am lying for. Why them so bad mind? You already have your share. When can I get mine?
Justice is justice, you know.
Life is full of illusion, lots of confusion. The simplest thing makes a man wanna draw for his gun. But I hope you live to tell your story. Without guts there is no glory. Once you live and once you die. Oh, what you gonna do when your time comes? You gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to waste, you just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and it cannot rewind. Woo!
But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you.
Justice is justice, you know.
Many, many miles from home, I have to get out of cowboy town. At night the gunshot echo, the siren sounds. Not the innocent get gunned down. Surrounded by cold-blooded murderers, warlocks and instigators. Upon my name is a lot of rumors, false allegation and propagandas. Jah will be there for me and you, for me, no matter what we go through. For you, Jah will be there for me and you. I know He'll see us through.
Justice is justice, you know.